Friends, after you hearing all these good speakers, this is my turn. I remember a story long back when I wanted to hold a function with 3 or 4 artists. When I was contacting them, one of them said, "You have to pay me 1000 rupees extra if I am the last artist." So it has happened with me. It relates to finance, it relates to financial, not literacy. But this is a nice committee. From the very beginning of this Rotary year, this committee had been working all over the district. And today they have come here with their ideas. This is a very big program they have arranged. I wish all the best. And they had been doing it throughout the year. And I really thank this committee, the committee members. Partho had been working very hard. Thank you all.
Thank you, Mukulda. May I request Sayak for the DG? Just have a and I'll request Dr. Sudeep to please come and honor the DG along with Tapan Majumdar, our chairman. Both of you please come. District Governor. Sayak. Thank you very much. I'll request our co-chairman, Parthoda, to please come and honor Mukulda. He's not there. So may I request Bhavani Shankar, acha, maybe. Sayak. Parthoda is there. Parthoda, please come. All this program was actually organized and everything was done in only 10 days. And we give a lot of credit to Mukulda for that. And what Parthoda used to tell me, "Aaj ke ekdam slog over e Parthoda khele diye che." So this is something which we used to hear. So thank you, Mukulda. And I'll request Mr. Bhavani Shankar Ganguly to please come and just give a token to Subhimal Bhattacharya. Premji to Amitabhoda. And Shayak to Shamashri Sen. Thank you very much. I think the flight of the keynote speaker is also late. So what we will do, we will have a small video and then we will break for the tea. And thereafter we will have the keynote speech. And I think, and we will have more opportunity during the tea break to interact with the district governor and the PDGs and to know more about what is all happening in the Rotary world. So we'll just have a small video and then we'll follow with that. We are through. Okay, everyone from the back side. Yes, Deepak ji, you can sit here. As I stated earlier, that this is an event, first time in the history of Rotary that a financial literacy committee is formed, being organized. We have already thanked the district governor. He was there with all the other district officials. And now is the time to start the day with the speech of a person who is like ideas, what ideas we will be taking from this place and using it so that we all can contribute to the nation and to the Rotary in a bigger way. The theme which the district governor has promised is going to be all of us will become Paul Harris Fellows every year. So in order to become PHF every year, we need to make more and more money. And in order to do that, we have these speakers. But to start with, first of all, let me welcome the keynote speaker for the day. I think without him, this program would not have been possible. So a lot of thanks to none other than Ashish P. Somaya. Please welcome him with a big applaud. Ashish, please come. I'll just introduce him a little bit. He is considered as a golden man of the industry for some years now. Please come. And he is the CEO of Motilal Oswal Company Limited. Motilal, as an investment house, has been into research, coverage and advising on equities for last 25 years. It's one of the few investment houses that has well-defined investment philosophy and process. The refined over 17 years and money riding on this philosophy for last 10 years. So this is more about Motilal, and Ashish is being in this industry for 14 years. And he had been heading sales and distribution channel with ICICI Prudential AMCs, Bharti AXA AMC. His last, when he was with ICICI Prudential as a senior vice president head retails, his responsibility was to head the sales and distribution, PMS and real estate. And across India, he was the leading, he used to manage over 400 people in sales and distribution, and has been a very busy person, conducting programs, taking sessions all over India. He himself is a trainer and he loves sports, and that's a little bit about him. So we will listen more through him during the day. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Morning, everyone. Am I audible at the back? Okay. So I have taken the liberty of stepping here because that was really fast. Sir, as I speak, my voice will become louder and louder. Right now, I've just woken up at 3 in the morning and just got off a flight.